Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2019 Buick LaCrosse? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box is located beneath the driver's side dashboard, behind a removable cover. It controls key interior functions such as power windows, infotainment, HVAC, and lighting. Important fuses include those for power outlets, rear sockets, and front sockets. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box is located near the driver's side headlight and battery, secured with a cover. It manages critical systems like the ABS, engine control, cooling fans, fuel pump, and lighting. Key fuses include those for the ECM, starter, wipers, and headlamps. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.